Sterile manufacturing, gases and vacuum systems. Content. Purpose. Gases quality requirements. Filtration and monitoring. Closing remarks. Purpose. To ensure the quality of gases in direct contact with product, primary container surfaces in sterile manufacturing processes, focusing on appropriate chemical, particulate, and microbial quality. 1. Gases quality requirements. Gases should have appropriate chemical, particulate, and microbial quality. Parameters like oil and water content must be specified. Adhere to relevant pharmacopoeia or product quality requirements. 2. Filtration and monitoring. Aseptic processes. Gases must be filtered through a sterilizing grade filter, is less than or equal to 0.22 micrometers, at the point of use. Batch basis filtration. Filters used should be integrity tested and results reviewed for batch certification, release. Transfer pipework, tubing, must be sterilized after the final sterilizing grade filter. Microbial monitoring. Perform periodic microbial monitoring of gases at the point of use. Backflow prevention. Mechanisms must prevent backflow from vacuum or pressure systems. Closing remarks. Ensuring the quality of gases used in sterile manufacturing is paramount to maintaining product integrity and safety. By adhering to the specified guidelines and regularly monitoring and testing, we can mitigate contamination risks and uphold the highest standards in sterile production processes. Continuous vigilance and adherence to protocols will lead to consistent, high-quality outcomes. Thanks for watching our channel. Feel free to reach us at contact@learngmp.com.